Hey everyone, welcome to Module 7. This week during the analysis challenge, it's more simple. You'll just pick one of 3 clinical trial examples having to do with COVID drugs or tests. So there's 3 links that you'll delve into for each of your analysis challenge topics. And I love the FDA. Their web addresses always stay the same. It does look like clinicaltrials.gov is going to be switching up how their pages are. You know, the links I have in there still work, but you'll notice on all of them that they're going to try out a new format. So not required, but feel free to check that out and see what the federal government's doing. And I do hope you're going to enjoy delving into kind of a recent hot topic of clinical trials during the discussions. The discussions are one way. There's lots of ways, but I know it's always hard to, not always, but often hard to feel connected in an online class. So, if you see some of the folks that are in this class in other places, just remember to talk about this class too. It'll help you kind of feel more connected to those folks when you're in your computer land. I also tend to kind of get a little behind even when I'm teaching an online class. There's just not that social pressure when it's just a computer, So, we got to find little tricks to keep ourselves motivated when it's just kind of the computer interface. What's this week about? We're going to move from kind of a more controversial topic, maybe, the Schedule 1 substances, to a topic that, frankly, used to be a lot less controversial, clinical trials. But recently, goodness, we've had a lot of national discussion about that. So, the idea here is that we're going to determine scientifically that a new substance is safe and effective, right? The way the module works, just practically, pretty straightforward delivery of information. Just keep reminding you, use those key points at the bottom of each slide to help focus your attention as you go through the content, so you know how deep or how shallow to stay to maximize your efficiency. Of course, I always encourage you to go deep if something interests you. Why not? But not every word that is posted there is required necessarily, but when I find information, I want to make sure it's there for you, I did sprinkle in some examples related to addiction when I made this module, so of course there's a little bit of connection to our last module. So I hope you have a great week, our module 7 here, and just keep plugging along. I think this content is pretty interesting, maybe not the most groundbreaking thought ever, but I think it's neat to think about how we decide as a society what's safe, what's effective, and how do we deal with all that. So keep on thinking about stuff, and if you come up with an interesting other example, definitely share it with everybody. Have a great week.